Good afternoon, Grandma Freeman here, and I made a video this morning about preparing the dough, and I used a basic sugar cookie dough and then I turned these into chocolate chip cookies, and they're kind of like little biscuits, so that's what the English call them anyway. But anyway, with less than half of the cookie dough that I prepared, I have this batch of 12. And this is the rest. This is how much I have left. Now I can probably get maybe a dozen and a half, or at least a dozen, or a baker's dozen, 13, out of the rest of this. And or I can take it and put it in a freezer bag and freeze it until I'm ready to make another batch of cookies. So I have those options, and I think I'm going to taste test one of them. So here we go. Oh, it looks pretty good. Oops, on the back as well. And it's a little brown, not too. Rich with chocolate chips. Look at all that. Look at all that. That's fantastic. Good recipe. I did add a whole one-third cup of non-fat milk made from powdered milk to get it to the consistency where I could either roll it out, or I made these into little balls and I just let it bake and they flatten just a little bit. Now I can do that again and then flatten them just a little bit with a glass, the bottom of a glass, and that would make them spread out a little bit more. But and I did have to cook them in my oven about 15 minutes because my oven takes longer. I'm in a lower altitude, I guess. I'm not sure what it is. But every oven differs, so 15 minutes ought to do it for you if you do it just like I did. But now if you roll this dough out with a rolling pin or flatten it, I think it would cook faster on the inside. So thanks for watching. Bye now.